Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, a visit to the doctors, we will be covering the section of speaking, in which, first of all, we will learn some new vocabulary words and their meanings. After that, you will be using those words in your creative sentences. And at the end, we will discuss about informational text. So, open up page number 24 and let's get started. First of all, let us learn some new vocabulary words. The first word is classmates. The second word is prevent. Germs. Junk. Exercise. Regularly. Dangerous. Spreading. Yourself. And the last word is should. Now that you know some of the new vocabulary words, let's learn their meanings. Classmates are your class fellows. Prevent means to stop. Germs are tiny living things that spread diseases. Junk means unhealthy. Exercise is a physical activity to get fit. Regularly means at the same time. Dangerous means not safe. Spreading means increasing. Yourself means you. Should is used to tell what is right. Now learn these words and their meanings and write them on a loose sheet. And after that, use these words in your creative sentences.